Okay, so we got this situation. The equation to the pair of asymptotes of the hyperbola this. So we have equation of hyperbola as 2x square minus y square minus 1 equals to 0. And we have to write down equation of pair of asymptote. So how we will write? So whenever there is requirement of finding pair of asymptote, keep this thing in your mind that everything will remain the same except the constant. Means you will have 2x square minus y square in the equation of pair of asymptote, but in place of constant there will be something else. Only this is the only change. Okay, so it is lambda. Now we have to find out value of lambda. Correct? So do you remember that? Uh, do you remember the condition when 2-degree curve represents uh, 2-degree curve represents pair of straight line? So we used to write x square standard form y square plus xy plus x plus y equals to 0. Here we will write a, b, c, f, g, h, 2, 2, 2. Correct? Now write down this thing in that same form. So 2x square means same order plus minus 1y square plus 0xy 2 times 0xy plus 2 times 0x plus 2 times 0y plus lambda. Okay, now try to recall the condition for 2-degree curve to represent pair of straight line. Determinant has to be 0. A, B, C, F, G, H, F, G, H. This determinant will become 0. Okay, so substitute here. So 2 minus 1 lambda 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this determinant will come out to be 0. So find out the determinant. So determinant is what? 2 times minus lambda equals to 0. Okay, so we got this as a determinant. So lambda value will become 0. Now you can update this equation. So your equation of asymptote will, pair of equation of asymptote will have this situation. Okay, this is pair of asymptote. Now if you want to write down independent equation, you have to factorize it. Can I write root 2x plus y root 2x minus y equals to 0? So if they will ask you to find out independent equation, this is the situation. If they will ask you to find out combined equation, so this is the situation. I hope things are clear.